So here it comes, our Samsung 244 liter curd Maestro refrigerator. So this is the packaging. Here we have the invoice. You can see our address and address slip. The packaging seems good. So I will show you that it got some dent in the back side. You can see this is the back. So back side of the carton, it got some dents. So we'll just unbox it and see if the product is all good from inside or not. So it got some thermocol in the front, it got the thermocol backing in the corners, in the edges. So already some thermocols are broken because of the transit, I guess. So this is it, guys. You can see it got no dents. I read some comments that some customers got dented products because of the transit. The cautions, and we'll see how it looks from inside. So this is the deep freezer. So it has some tray in it. We have a separate ice maker inside it, I guess. So this is the cabinet. Now let's see. This is the specialty of this refrigerator, the curd Maestro. You can make curd within some hours. So I will show you that it has the ice maker inside it. This is the egg tray, and these are for the bottle holders. So this is it. I'll show you the energy ratings here also. The consumption of 193 units per year. And the level period is from 1st January 2020 to 31st January 2022. And I will show you the display here. So it has the curd. You can see the curd option is there, soft, thick or serve curd. And this is fridge power cool with 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 5 degree and 7 degree.